Yo, what's up everybody? It's Mark back again with another TV review, and this time, we're diving into the Sony 65-inch class BRAVIA XR X90L LED 4K UHD Smart Google TV, model XR65 X90L, currently on sale for $899.99. We're gonna find out if this TV is still worth it in 2023, especially at that price point. Now this isn't Sony's flagship model by any means, but it still packs a punch in the specs department, and it's got a pretty impressive rating of 4.8 out of 5 stars based on 1,706 reviews. So you know people are generally happy with this TV, but is it the right TV for you? Well, that's what we're here to figure out. We'll break down the good, the bad, and everything in between. Alright, let's start with what the Sony 65 class BRAVIA XR X90L LED 4K UHD Smart Google TV 2023 model XR65 X90L SKU 6544733 rating 4.85 from 1,706 reviews, price $899.99 gets right. And honestly, there's a lot to like here. From the moment you unbox it, you can tell it's a quality product. First off, the picture quality is fantastic for the price. The colors are vibrant, and the clarity is something you'd expect from a much more expensive model. You're getting a 4K panel with HDR support, and it delivers vibrant colors, deep blacks, and impressive clarity. The HDR really makes a difference, especially in darker scenes. Whether you're watching your favorite movies, binging the latest shows, or even gaming, the XR65 X90L delivers a truly immersive viewing experience. The motion handling is also top-notch, making fast-paced scenes look smooth. I was particularly impressed by the color accuracy and the level of detail in the images. Even the smallest details are rendered beautifully, and it's not just about the hardware. The software plays a crucial role in enhancing the overall experience. Sony's image processing engine does a fantastic job of upscaling lower-resolution content, so even if you're watching cable TV, it still looks really good on this display. This is a big plus for those who still enjoy traditional TV. And let's not forget about the smart features. The interface is user-friendly and packed with options. This is a Google TV, which means you've got a clean, intuitive interface with access to all your favorite streaming apps like Netflix, Disney+, HBO Max, you name it. The app library is extensive and keeps growing. Navigating the menus is super smooth, and I really appreciate the voice control functionality. It's responsive and makes finding content a breeze. Just grab the remote, say what you want to watch, and boom, you're there. It's that simple and efficient. It's super convenient, especially when you're scrolling through a ton of content. No more endless searching, just speak and watch. Another thing I like is the design. It's modern and sleek, fitting well into any living room setup. It's not the slimmest bezel you'll find, but it's still pretty sleek and modern looking. The build quality feels premium. It'll fit right into most living rooms without being too distracting. It complements the decor rather than overpowering it. Overall, the Sony 65 class BRAVIA XR X90L LED 4K UHD Smart Google TV 2023 model XR65 X90L SKU 6544733 rating 4.85 from 1,706 reviews, price $899.99, really excels in the picture quality and smart features department. It's a well-rounded TV that offers a lot of value. It's a solid choice if you're looking for a great viewing experience without breaking the bank. You get a lot of bang for your buck with this one. Okay, so we've covered the good, but no tech review is complete without addressing the not-so-good, right? It's important to give you the full picture. And with the Sony 65 class BRAVIA XR X90L LED 4K UHD Smart Google TV 2023 model XR65 X90L, there are a couple of areas where it falls a bit short. These might not be deal breakers for everyone, but they are worth mentioning. The most common complaint I've seen, and I have to agree with it, is the sound quality. It's something that comes up frequently in user reviews. The built-in speakers are just okay. They get the job done, but they lack a bit of depth and richness. You won't get that immersive audio experience. If you're really serious about your audio, you're probably going to want to invest in a soundbar or a dedicated sound system. This can significantly enhance your viewing experience. It's not a deal breaker by any means, but it's something to keep in mind, especially if you're an audiophile or someone who values high-quality sound. Another thing that some users have pointed out is the remote. It's a small detail, but it can affect your overall experience. It's functional, don't get me wrong, but it's not the most intuitive or well-designed remote out there. It can be a bit of a hassle to use. It's a bit cluttered with buttons, and it doesn't feel as premium as some of the other remotes you get with higher-end TVs. This might be a minor inconvenience for some. Again, not a huge deal, but it's noticeable. It's one of those things that you might not think about until you're actually using it. Now, in terms of performance, the Sony XR65 X90L is generally pretty smooth, but I did notice a little bit of lag occasionally when navigating the menus or switching between apps. This can be a bit frustrating. It wasn't a constant issue, but it was noticeable enough to mention. It's something that could potentially be fixed with a software update. It's possible that a software update could address this, but it's something to keep an eye on. Always make sure your TV's firmware is up to date. Finally, while the design is sleek overall, some users might find the stand to be a bit basic. It does the job, but it doesn't stand out. It's functional, but it doesn't have the same premium look and feel as the rest of the TV. This might be a minor letdown for some. So yeah, the Sony 65 class BRAVIA XR X90L LED 4K UHD Smart Google TV 2023 model XR65 X90L isn't perfect. It has its flaws, just like any other product. The sound quality could be better, the remote could be more intuitive, and there's occasional lag. But are these deal breakers? For some they might be, but for others, the positives, like its 4.85 rating from 1,706 reviews and the $899.99 price, might outweigh these minor issues. Chapter 3. 4K UHD, your gateway to stunning detail. Let's dive a bit deeper into one of the biggest selling points of the Sony 65 class BRAVIA XR X90L LED 4K UHD Smart Google TV 2023 model XR65 X90L SKU 6544733, which currently boasts a 4.8 out of 5 rating from 1,706 reviews and is priced at $899.99, the 4K UHD resolution. Now, you've probably heard the term 4K thrown around a lot, but what does it actually mean for your viewing experience? Well, in simple terms, 4K UHD resolution means you're getting 4 times the pixels of a standard Full HD TV. That translates to sharper images, finer details, and a more immersive viewing experience overall. Think of it like this. Imagine looking at a picture on your phone, and then zooming in really close. With the Sony XR65 X90L, you're essentially seeing the zoomed-in version, all the time, with incredible clarity and detail. This is especially noticeable in content that's mastered in 4K, like nature documentaries, action movies, or visually stunning shows. You'll be amazed by the level of detail you can see, from the textures of leaves to the individual hairs on a character's head. But even if you're not watching 4K content all the time, the XR65 X90L's upscaling engine does a fantastic job of making everything look its best. It analyzes lower resolution content and intelligently adds detail, resulting in a noticeable improvement in sharpness and clarity. So, whether you're a movie buff, a gamer, or just someone who appreciates a great viewing experience, the 4K UHD resolution on the Sony 65 class BRAVIA XR X90L LED 4K UHD Smart Google TV 2023 model XR65 X90L is definitely something you'll appreciate. Chapter 4. Google TV, your content hub featured on the Sony 65 class BRAVIA XR X90L LED 4K UHD Smart Google TV 2023 model XR65 X90L SKU 6544733 with a stellar 4.8 out of 5 rating from 1,706 reviews and priced at $899.99. Now let's talk about the brains of this operation, Google TV, as it appears on the Sony XR65 X90L. This isn't just your average smart TV interface, it's a full-fledged entertainment hub on the Sony BRAVIA XR X90L that puts all your favorite content at your fingertips. Imagine having all your streaming services, live TV, and even niche apps in one place. Gone are the days of clunky menus and limited app selection. No more struggling with outdated interfaces that make finding your favorite shows a chore. With Google TV on the Sony XR65 X90L, you've got access to a massive library of apps, from streaming giants like Netflix, Disney+, and Amazon Prime Video, to niche services and even live TV channels. Whether you're into mainstream hits or obscure indie films, this Sony TV has something for everyone. And the best part is, it's all seamlessly integrated. Switching between apps is smooth and effortless, making your viewing experience on the XR65 X90L more enjoyable. You can search for a movie or show using your voice, and Google TV on the Sony BRAVIA XR X90L will show you results from all your installed apps, so you don't have to jump between different platforms. This unified search feature saves you time and hassle. But it's not just about finding what you want to watch, it's also about discovering new content. Google TV on the XR65 X90L makes it easy to explore new shows and movies. Google TV uses AI and machine learning to recommend shows and movies based on your viewing history and preferences. The more you watch, the better the recommendations get. So, if you're ever feeling stuck in a rut, just ask Google TV for recommendations, and it'll point you in the right direction. You'll never run out of things to watch on your Sony XR65 X90L. And if you're watching something with friends or family, you can even create separate profiles so everyone gets personalized recommendations. Each profile can have its own watch list and preferences on the Sony BRAVIA XR X90L. Another cool feature is the built-in Chromecast functionality on the XR65 X90L. This means you can easily cast content from your phone, tablet, or laptop directly to the Sony TV, whether it's a YouTube video, a slideshow of photos, or even a video call. Imagine seeing your loved ones on the big screen during a video chat on the XR65 X90L. Overall, Google TV on the Sony 65 class BRAVIA XR X90L is a game changer for smart TV functionality. It's intuitive, it's feature-packed, and it makes finding and enjoying your favorite content easier than ever before. With the Sony XR65 X90L, your entertainment options are virtually limitless. Chapter 5. LED. It's all about the backlight. Finally, let's talk about the technology that lights up this impressive display, LED. Now, LED stands for light-emitting diode, and it's the most common type of backlight technology used in TVs today. Essentially, it works by using an array of tiny LEDs behind the LCD panel to illuminate the image. This allows for more precise control over brightness and contrast, resulting in a more vibrant and dynamic picture. Compared to older LCD technologies like CCFL, LED TVs offer several advantages. They're more energy efficient, they have a wider color gamut, and they can achieve deeper black levels, which is crucial for a truly immersive viewing experience. Now, there are different types of LED backlighting, but the Sony 65 class BRAVIA XR X90L LED 4K UHD Smart Google TV 2023 model XR65 X90L SKU 6544733, which is rated 4.8 out of 5 from 1,706 reviews and priced at $899 by $99, uses a technology called direct lit LED. This means the LEDs are placed directly behind the screen, which allows for more even backlighting compared to edge-lit LED TVs. However, it's worth noting that direct-lit LED TVs can sometimes suffer from a phenomenon called blooming, where you might see a slight halo effect around bright objects on a dark background. Overall, LED technology has come a long way, and the Sony 65 class BRAVIA XR X90L LED 4K UHD Smart Google TV 2023 model XR65 X90L delivers impressive picture quality with vibrant colors, deep blacks, and excellent contrast, making it a standout choice at $899, $999. Outro. So, is it worth it? To sum it up, the Sony 65-inch class BRAVIA XR X90L LED 4K UHD Smart Google TV model XR65 X90L offers stunning picture quality, smart features, and is currently available at a great price of $899.99. With a 4.8 out of 5 rating from 1,706 reviews, this deal is hard to pass up. It's not perfect, the sound quality could be better and the remote could be more intuitive, but for under $900, it's hard to beat the value proposition of the XR65 X90L. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews. Let me know in the comments what you think of the Sony 65 class BRAVIA XR X90L LED 4K UHD Smart Google TV model XR65 X90L, and what other TVs you'd like me to review next. Peace.